Hi guys, welcome to our how-to videos for Sintel BI. In this video, I will show you how to add the Sintel BI app from AppSource, which is Microsoft's version of the App Store. AppSource is where you'll find loads of apps that can enhance your Microsoft 365 environment. First, you need to open your SharePoint site and select New and then select App. You can then select SharePoint Store, and you can search for Sintel or Sintel BI and select Sintel BI like so. If your SharePoint tenant admin has already added the app to your environment, you can simply click Add. However, if it hasn't yet been added, you'll have an option to request it. When you request it, the SharePoint admin will be notified, and they can add the app to your organization's tenant. Once it's added, you can then add it to your own site. If your tenant admin has any questions on the app, simply share the link below with them. Once you select Add, you will see a message indicating that the app is being added to your site. And once you click on Site Contents page, you should see it appear after a few seconds. The Sintel BI app is now added, and you can move on to the next video in this series where we show you how to configure it. Best of luck!